Okay, guys, so we're now at Lenox on 10th. These guys are known, from what I've read, for their entertainment and their brunch. So I'm going to have the foodie trot kind of break this down for us and let us know what we're about to try today.
Again, we're at Lenox on 10th, right here off of 10th Street. Lenox on 10th has been in business a little over 2 years, Black owned, and they're known for karaoke in the evenings and their brunch. Brunch is served every day from open till about 3, and then in the evening is when they switch to their Creole menu, which is a new menu, might I add. So today we're gonna try their breakfast tacos, shrimp and grits, and the French toast filet.
Before we get into all that, we're gonna meet with the owners, get their take on the story of what made them start this place here in the heart of Augusta, and we're gonna go from there. So here we go.
Okay, my name is Eris. I'm one of the owners of Lenox on 10th, located here at 211 10th Street in Augusta, Georgia. We are a Creole-inspired Louisiana fusion restaurant. We will have some breakfast tacos. The Los Angeles in me makes a killer taco. Also, we're going to have some lamb steaks and crab cakes, our lamb and crab cakes, which we call the land and sea here. And we just rolled out kind of our secret menu, our beignets and fried chicken. We are known for our brunch chicken. It is delicious. I always say, you know, you don't come here on a diet. We're going to feed you.
Speaking of next dishes, this is like the king of the show for me. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. We're talking lamb chops, crab cakes, stuffed baked potato. Check that out. All right, so I'm a crab cake lover, so I'm gonna try the crab cake first. I'm gonna lemon this thing because lemon is a verb now, apparently. Okay, so here we go. Looks delicious. Wow. What? I was going to ask you, what is in it? What's the secret? These are cornbread crab cakes. I didn't even know you could do that with crab cakes, but they did it. It's just really, 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 really delicious. I do love all the textures. There we go. So, look at that lamb. It's... Oh, yeah. No, I was worried about not having a knife, but it doesn't need it. It's really tender. Oh, that's good. Really good. Done perfectly. It's medium, how I like it. Seasoned awesome. And it's super duper tender. I love it.
All right, so here at Lenox on 10th, they gave us a bunch of different things. One of the main things that I'm excited about is, of course, the burger. Love myself a good burger. This looks like it's made on a couple pieces of real thick toast. So these are kind of savory, kind of seasoned a little different. They're actually quite nice. I had some off camera and I'm gonna have some again right now because they're that good. Great fries. So this just looks immaculate and I am just gonna take a really big bite. So do not judge me on this. I feel like if you were in my shoes, you would do the same. Huh. Not just regular bread. That's French toast. Oh. As soon as I went to take a bite, I could smell like the syrupy goodness. My hands are kind of sticky now. All the times that I've been eating some kind of French toast or waffles. French toast burger. My God. Honestly, I wasn't expecting that, and I am pleasantly surprised. Oh, man. French toast burger, fantastic. I think the concept of sweet and savory is still kind of foreign to like the general public. So like people don't normally go for something like that unless you're eating like chicken and waffles, of course, which, you know, chicken and waffles are fantastic, don't get me wrong, but I feel like everyone does chicken and waffles and they don't try to do anything else that's savory and sweet and kind of put it together. So this is taking a step into the future right here by eating this burger.
Okay, guys, I am back with two of my favorite things, beignets and fried chicken. So you hear about lopped chicken and waffles, but this is chicken and beignets, which is pretty amazing. Look at that. All right, here we go. That's good. Chicken break. Look at that steam. All right. All right, there you have it. Louisiana. Woo. That's good. It's not too hot. It's like a love tap. Like a small kick. So, we have chicken. We have beignet. We've got hot sauce. All right, so here you go. That's good. That's really good.
So next on the menu is breakfast tacos. Now, breakfast tacos are pretty common in America. Generally, what you're gonna have is some kind of like egg sausage mixture, and that's kind of what I'm seeing here is eggs and sausage inside of a flour tortilla. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a shot. We'll see how this comes out. Awesome. So breakfast tacos here, they give you a choice of your protein. We chose steak, so breakfast steak tacos, steak and eggs. Great classic combination. I think this is perfect. I feel like maybe just a touch of Tabasco would make this completely perfect, but that's just because I like spicy food. Spicy breakfast taco in the morning would be exactly how I would eat this, but this is a dynamite taco.
All right, so speaking of shrimp and grits, we are back with another shrimp and grits dish, traditional shrimp and grits here at Lenox on 10th. So here we go. Looks delicious.
Yes.
Sounds amazing. Tastes amazing. Love it. I love the grits, honestly. There's a lot of love in the grits. Shrimp is great. There's like a sauce with it. Everything's just really good about this dish. So I love it.
Hey guys, so here I have the French toast plate. So as you can see, on this plate is apple, strawberry, and peach French toast. And I love that it's on a slab. It looks so nice. There's powdered sugar, yeah, the plating's just amazing. Let's try the apple first. Gonna give it a try. So the apple French toast is actually really good. Of course, there's that really good cinnamon apple combination going on. The bread is really fluffy, which I love. All right, moving on to the strawberry. I'm gonna take a attempt at cutting this. Ooh. I really love strawberry, and that's just absolutely delicious. Okay, moving on to the peach. I'm super excited because I love cream cheese. Let's give it a try. I don't think I've ever had this combination with peach and cream cheese, but it's just, cream cheese usually goes good with anything dessert, but it's so balanced with like the peach flavor and the cream cheese. It's a really good dessert. That's all I could really say. I really like this.
You can find us downtown Augusta on 10th Street, 211. Our hours are Wednesday through Sunday. Wednesday and Thursday, 4 to 10, 11 to 11 Friday and Saturday, and 11 to 6 on Sunday.